Imagine stepping back into the 1980s, a time when cars were small, simple, and full of character. Picture yourself sliding behind the wheel of a tiny Japanese classic, feeling the nostalgia as the engine hums to life. This isn't just any car. It's the Suzuki FX 1986, a little gem that stole hearts with its charm, reliability, and sheer simplicity. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this tiny classic so unforgettable. From its exterior quirks to its surprisingly spacious interior, every detail tells a story. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the Suzuki FX isn't just a car, it's a memory on wheels. Let's start with the exterior. The first thing you notice about the 1986 Suzuki FX is its compact size, small enough to weave through crowded streets, yet designed with a quirky, appealing shape that makes it instantly recognizable. Those rounded edges, minimalistic lines, and slightly bulbous headlights give it a friendly, almost playful character. The chrome accents along the grille and bumpers are subtle, but they catch the light in a way that makes this tiny car shine, even decades after it rolled off the production line. And don't forget the signature Suzuki logo right in the center, proudly signaling its Japanese engineering roots. One of the FX's most charming exterior details is its paint options. Back in 1986, Suzuki offered soft pastels and vibrant primary colors, making each car feel personal, almost like a statement. Whether you see one in bright red or classic beige, it's hard not to smile at its cheerful personality. Step inside, and the Suzuki FX surprises you with its clever use of space. Don't let the compact size fool you. Every inch of the interior is designed to be functional and comfortable. The seats are simple but supportive, upholstered in durable fabric that has stood the test of time. The dashboard is straightforward, with large, easy-to-read dials and a minimal number of controls. This simplicity is part of its charm. No digital distractions, just a pure driving experience. The steering wheel is small, light, and responsive, making city driving feel effortless and fun. Storage isn't lavish, but clever little compartments make the most of the space available. And despite its size, the FX offers surprisingly good legroom for front passengers. Back seats are cozy, perfect for short trips or weekend drives, and the windows provide excellent visibility, so you never feel cramped or boxed in. Under the hood, the Suzuki FX 1986 is modest but reliable. The engine is small, lightweight, and efficient, delivering enough power to navigate urban roads without any fuss. Acceleration isn't about speed. It's about nimbleness, turning tight corners, and enjoying the drive without worrying about fuel consumption. It features a simple manual transmission that adds to the old-school driving experience. Every gear change feels tactile and connected, giving you a sense of control that modern cars often lack. Suspension is soft enough to smooth over bumps, yet firm enough to handle winding roads with confidence. Despite being over 3 decades old, these engines are renowned for durability. Many FX owners today still drive their cars daily, proof of Suzuki's engineering and the model's enduring reliability. What truly makes the FX special isn't flashy tech. It's the pure character. The small size, cheerful design, and surprisingly clever interior layout make it more than just transportation. It's a companion for adventures, city commutes, or even casual weekend drives. Compared to modern microcars, the FX feels more tangible, more alive. There's no assisted driving or digital bells and whistles, just a tiny car that communicates directly with the driver. It's intimate, personal, and a joy to operate. Collectors love the FX not just for nostalgia, but because it represents a specific moment in automotive history, a time when practicality, reliability, and charm mattered more than horsepower or luxury. And that's why it still wins hearts today. Now, I'd love to know, if you could take the Suzuki FX 1986 for a spin, what color would you choose? Or maybe you already own a tiny classic like this. Share your stories in the comments below. I always enjoy hearing how these old-school gems continue to impact lives decades later. Imagine parking this tiny classic in a cozy city street or taking it on a weekend road trip. Unlike bulky modern cars, the FX allows you to explore narrow alleys, fit into tight spaces, and feel connected to the road and surroundings. It's not about raw speed or luxury. It's about experience, nostalgia, and simplicity. When you compare it to other cars from the same era, the FX stands out for its combination of durability, affordability, and playful design. Many of its contemporaries have faded into obscurity, but the FX remains beloved by enthusiasts and casual drivers alike. The Suzuki FX 1986 may be tiny, but it carries a giant personality. From its charming exterior and practical interior to its reliable performance and nostalgic vibe, it's a car that reminds us why simplicity can be beautiful. Owning or even just experiencing one is a chance to reconnect with a time when cars were about character, not complexity. If this video brought back memories or made you fall in love with a tiny classic, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive journeys through time. Share your favorite FX memory, or tell us which other classics you'd like to see reviewed next. Because at the end of the day, cars like the Suzuki FX aren't just machines. They're stories on wheels, and every story deserves to be shared.